Welcome back
to your juicy advent calendar.
Our mission is to find world peace through intimacy.
My name is Shaft Uddin.
And my name is Ronya.
And today's exercise
is number 10. Heavenly Hold. This is one of those positions that you see in a Magic Mike movie. And you have to come to one of our workshops to figure out how to do this one.
Thank you for watching. Don't miss tomorrow's episode.
Make sure that you give a thumbs up to Shaft's laughter, follow, subscribe, and all that stuff.
And remember this, the most beautiful gift you could give each other
is your present.